In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Monopoly Go link on Facebook. First, make sure you already installed Monopoly Go on your mobile phones. On your Monopoly Go application, you'll see there the friends, the icon with the hand. You'll need to click on it. Once you click on it, you will see there a friends code you can copy and send it to your friends. You can also click the share button and you will see here a invitation. You can click the orange and you can click the blue. Once you click the orange invitation, you will see this. You can share it to Bluetooth, to WhatsApp, to Facebook, and to any social platform. And once you click the invite, that is indicating for Facebook invitation, you will be redirecting to Messenger once you click it, like this. So as you can see, I redirected to Messenger. And in order to send link, just tap the send button and that's it. That's how you send Monopoly Go in Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.